or you're just unable to achieve anything or go any further, but it's that you think you can't. Your mind can't even perceive the thought that I can go further financially. Romans 12:2 tells us to be transformed and progressively changed by the renewing of our minds daily. So every day we are to take the thoughts in our minds that are strongholds and or go against the truth of God and cast them down and replace them with the truth of God. Example, if you're telling yourself you can't step out and do something God has called you to do, that's considered a lie. Because we know that the truth of God in Philippians 4:13 states, you can do all things which he has called you to do through Christ. I challenge you to become aware of the lies in the form of thoughts the enemy has been speaking to you. Cast those thoughts down and replace them with a verse of God's truth. Whatever your financial goal you have, whatever financial desire God has put on the inside of you, you can achieve it if you formulate the right thoughts in your mind. Get in his word and let it transform your thinking about your finances